How to remove followers on Facebook. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the first step is really important. What you want to do is after you open up your Facebook app, first we would have to get to our profile page. So to do that, just click on this menu icon at the bottom right and click on your name right here and you should get to your profile page. Now if you scroll down a bit, you can see the details section right here and the followers that you have. Sometimes you can also see it right on this section and just see where your followers are. Once you have seen that, just simply click on that and you should be able to see your followers right here. Make sure that you are at the followers tab, so click on followers to see the followers list on your Facebook profile. Now this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. If you want to remove a follower right here, you can see that there is a 3-dotted line in line with each follower on your Facebook. So just tap on that and click on a block right here and click on block again. And that basically removes that person as your follower. So you can refresh this and see that it has been removed from your followers list for your Facebook. And that is how you can basically remove followers on Facebook.